Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 1% during the session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices settled higher to end last week as geopolitical tensions in the Middle East more than offset a forecast from the International Energy Agency for slowing demand. Chinese EV makers that enjoyed years of explosive growth now face a slowdown in domestic demand, spurring them to push overseas and challenge global auto giants that struggle with the transition to battery-powered cars. A boom in past years helped China sell more EVs than Europe and the US combined. US Treasury yields rose and the dollar edged up against the yen to end last week, after data showed US producer prices increased more than expected in January, adding to the view that any interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve are not imminent.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch Consumer Confidence ADG will be released at 0530 GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber Monthly Report at 1100 hours GMT. The UK's Rightmove House Price Index will be released at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. China's FDI at 0900 hours GMT. Korea's Consumer Sentiment Index at 2100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.